Okay, do we have stream running? Probably. Yep, we have. Nice. Nice. Yep. Stream's working, music is playing, amazing. So, probably we need bigger font. It's probably not readable at all. This one probably will comment out for now. Okay, let me check. Okay, let me edit stream very quickly.
Give me that, give me them good vibes, yeah, and you might get it back. Manifest anything, oh look at that, no cap, no step back. It's a new era, got that balance like a lever. Never been a diva, never wanna look back either. Focus on the future, focus on the ether, focus on the good time, lyrical. Complex like a spider's web keeper. Jump on the decks, that might will get eat up. Strong flows, I make your mind weaker. Mash up the set, then go put my feet up. Complex like a spider's web keeper. Jump on the decks, that might will get eat up.
Okay, let's make remove this.
Mash up the set, then go put my
I see my comment. Oh, I see your comments as well. Nice. Hello. Guten Tag, Germany. Good evening. Okay, we have our simulator running. Nice. I will show you in a second what I have. And I will switch music track as well. Let me try this thing. I would like to see if we can push one of the streams to the 200 likes on YouTube. That's challenging. Never manage it. Okay. Sorry, that's not the right playlist. This one will be it, yeah. Yep. Ghana in the chat, nice. Hello. Colombia, hello. Good evening, good night, or whatever happens on your side. So, let me show current state of the application. Also, let me know if music is too loud or too silent. Should be okay, but I'm not sure. Sofia, so we have Bulgaria in the chat as well. Nice. Hello. Hello, Dennis. Good evening, Foxbeat. Hello. 4 p.m. there. Yeah, it's almost midnight at my side. I'm kind of very optimistic that I could try to push up to the release this night, but unlikely that will happen. Unlikely that will happen. Hey, Mikhailo. Hello. So, here what we have. This is easy. Remove widget config from list. Ask push notifications. This can wait. Those things actually could wait. So let me show you what I have so far. So this is application, it was looking the same on the past stream. We have calendar view, we have list view, we have settings screen, little bit changed but nothing crazy. Home view, biggest change from the last stream probably is the widget. So currently on widget you can, here is button, you can kind of close the action for current day, so it is done basically for today, or undone, you know. See, this one kind of changing color, changing tint. But also there you can add multiple widgets now. You was able to add before as well, but now it makes sense to do. Because if you have more than one habit, maybe you would like to have one widget for each of them. So we can edit widget and we can select which habit will be used. So this will be for learning, for example. So this widget is for learning, this one is for exercise, so we have, that's new. And I think that's kind of already close to the, almost ready for shipping, you know, as update. Hi Stefan, hello. Joining late night coding sessions, nice. So yeah, it is late night here. Yeah. Oh, Paul and Stefan kind of everywhere. Better on here on Twitch. I limited live stream to 1080 because Twitch can't handle 1440 stream. So sorry YouTube, but yeah. So let's start. Oh, I have some uncommitted changes here. What was that? Ah yeah, okay, let's commit this one. Adapty added. I don't know if I will switch to the Adapty. I basically was thinking about giving a try to Adapty, but currently I have RevenueCat API kind of implemented and it is kind of working, so yeah, I don't know. Doesn't make sense to kind of do that, but it makes sense from perspective that, well, if I'm kind of releasing nodes, that could make sense, you know. I don't know, we'll see, whatever. Let's start moving. So widget config, let's go. That's easy. Here in widget habit list view, can we get preview back? Basically I did kind of like easy peasy implementation for habit kind of configuration on beginning. I just saved selected habit in the user defaults or app storage, and basically then used that habit which is selected on the widget, but of course that was just temporary thing just for testing, and currently we can configure change basically which habit should be displayed. Actually, let me move this around a little bit. While it's starting preview, can we get this open? Yeah, thank you, Camera Hub. I see. We need Twitch channel here. What is my Twitch channel? Could be cool if I know my Twitch channel name. Twitch something Ivers Mayer probably. Ivers Mayer's Twitch probably. Oh, that preview will come, I don't know when. Okay, if I will add it here. Will it work? Probably. I'm just trying to get Twitch chat on teleprompter screen. We'll see if that will work. Is it worth to implement in Google Ads? Yes and no. So yes, if you have at least I'll say 10,000, tens of thousands of the users in your application. If those are hundreds of the active users, then that... No. Okay, here we have. That is my button, which is looks ugly and we don't need it, so we are using this user default thing. Selected habit widget. Let's see, do I use it somewhere else in the app? I don't think so anymore. I think that I removed it already everywhere else. Yeah, okay. We can delete it. It even didn't get to the production. That's cool. And then we need... Where it is? Habits empty, no habits yet. So, show habit sheet. We don't need that habit sheet as well. Oh no, we need it. We need this one. I think that is this habit card view. No. Actually, no. This is what? Yeah, I think we don't need this thing. Yeah, we are doing that when we are kind of selecting habit. Okay, let's remove this part. I removed something too much? What was that? If habit is selected habit ID, okay. Yeah, we don't need that. Why do we have it? Yeah, we don't need it. Yeah, that shows just one. Yeah, we don't need it. This spacer, maybe. Let's keep it for now. Okay, what else? Show widget habit selection sheet. Okay, this one we don't need. All the function go away. And where do I add this button? Okay, here it is. Yeah, widget large. Yeah, that is this one, so we don't need this toolbar at all. Toolbar thing also is going away. Okay, let's try to run it. Now it should work without all those unnecessary things. Okay, my stream chat doesn't work. Okay, let's switch to the just display. And let's have browser here. That will work. Come on, over. Yep, like that. Build cancelled. Why? What happened? Okay, let's run one more time. It was by accident. And yeah, actually I had ads in this application, and this application have let's say, less than 1,000 active users in a month. And it made something like, I don't know, 20 cents from ads, basically nothing. Okay, list is gone. This kind of button is gone, but list still working, that's good. I think that's good, okay. That's basically done. Let's commit here to do not to do. That's not needed anymore. That's not needed. So, yeah, we need push notification permissions. I'm just thinking what is the best place to do that. I think when we kind of adding new habit, then we should do that. Ready from Christmas? Yeah, absolutely. Gifts are bought. Ready to celebrate. We here in Latvia, we are not very religious, but we kind of, most of the people in Latvia kind of like to get together in Christmas, just do, you know, all that gift thing and so on. That's cool. I like gifting gifts. Receiving gifts. Also kind of interesting, let's say so. So I think... Did you ask Santa for a lot of gifts? Actually, no. Yeah, I don't know. I don't wait anything, you know, specific. Some socks, maybe, you know. that's helpful and interesting and fun. But that's about it. Hola, Brazil. Hey. Yeah, I think when we adding kind of new habit, that could be right time to ask for push notifications. Yep. How do we do that? I had that before here, but I don't remember. Basically, there should be some kind of prompt. Hey, Benjamin. Hello. Good day or good morning. In Texas, it is already day, probably. Midnight here in Latvia. Probably I have that function somewhere to trigger it. I should have something like push notification manager, something like that. Or notification manager. Yeah, here we have Turkey in the chat. Hello. Started in the app journey inspired by you. Nice, that's cool. Finishing the MVP, that's great. Release it. I'm doing great, thank you. Oh, here it is. We have function check authorization. And what we are doing, so basically if authorization is not available, then are we asking for permission or not? Basically we need those push notifications to remind about habits, so also subscription reminder, yeah. So I think that then we need... Oh, I know, that could be good to ask for permissions actually in that habit, in that, yeah, I know where I will do that. Basically, we have empty state for habit, where it is. Habit list view. We have empty state here, and if we don't have no habits yet, here we can add also basically one more line with text, just to say, oh, we will ask for permission to send enable notifications. Basically, now allow notifications. Whoa. Okay, my English is broken. Basically, I would like to say that app will ask for permission to send push notifications. How to say that in proper English? Allow notifications to. Basically, we can do something like we would like to send push notifications to remind about habits, but that sounds kind of too businessy, kind of. I'm just, kind of seeing one guy in living room, Hey, hello, I'm doing great, thank you. I'm doing great. Let's go to the mobbing. Yeah, this one. Oh, it will ask me login. Really? Yeah, something like that. Please allow notifications to be enabled, something like that, yeah. I will take quickly look, maybe I will see something brilliantly nice. Go away. So, something like push, no, screens. Can I Google just search for push notification in screenshot? Yeah, here it is. Something like that, basically. Don't miss a beat. Get notified about spending. Yeah. Turn on push notifications. Something like that. That could be separate screen, I basically just need to kind of say that, okay, I will just pop up in your face permission kind of window and ask for access for push notifications. Please allow if you would like to. That really depends, how much time it takes to build application from scratch. So if I will just start, then building this application like this one will take, I don't know, something like 3+ months, But currently, with help of AI, I'm kind of also lazy, just asking to, okay, do this, do that, and then just, kind of fine-tuning things and fixing bugs. I can move much faster. Unfortunately, I didn't track time, but I believe that I basically rewrote it from scratch in the state where we are now in, I don't know, less than a week, but I didn't track time. Okay, that was yesterday. I spent about 6 hours, and then there were kind of few days, I don't know, also something like that, 3 to, I don't know, maybe 5 hours. 5 hours max, that's a lot, What do you mean by SwiftUI scale? Why do you need to scale UI? Usually when we're talking about scaling, we're talking about database, stuff like that. Turn on. I will say something like, allow push notifications Do not miss tasks, something like that. Tasks? Basically it's habit, working on habit. To do not miss, to do not forget, maybe, to do not forget about habits. Maybe. Something like that. And this could be, kind of looks a little bit too much text probably. If you leave and come back in 1 year's time, is it easy to make changes with new iOS versions? Nowadays, yes. Remember Swift 1 to 2 and then to Swift 3 migration? That was crazy. After that, it is easy peasy. Do you use UIKit also? Yes, I do. Not in this project, but in freelance projects. In my personal apps, I'm using SwiftUI only. There's no need anymore to fall back to UIKit. Yeah. How do you support widgets in your Objective-C project? Let me ask you. Yeah, if that is some kind of low maintenance project and with more or less simple user interface, probably you don't, and if it is some kind of maintenance, whatever application, when you do not need to add kind of new features and stuff like that, it's easy, yeah. You just leave it for a while, for 6 months, then you have whatever, some feature request from business, you are coming back, adding some few buttons, few kind of moving things around, easy peasy. But if business will want to have whatever, again, widgets, you will need to use SwiftUI. But I understand your point. Yeah, it is so. Yeah. I think this line actually is kind of not needed. Basically, we have a button already that's kind of saying that. So it's kind of add first habit, add habit, no habits, kind of habits, too much. But I think this one is fine, something like that. I just would like to say somewhere about that. I don't know how many of the users will read about it. Let's add a little bit more padding here. Let's say something like 32. Yeah, don't have widgets, of course. Do not forget, yeah, right, thank you. Quick check question, building a super app MVP with Flutter and PHP Laravel, is this a good choice? Yes, if those are tools that you are familiar with. I don't do cross-platform app development, but mostly because I do not care about current stage. I do not care about Android, Google Play Store, and I just don't have time for that, kind of support all those platforms and run all the projects what I like to do. So I'm just kind of ignoring it for now. But if those are tools that you are familiar, yeah, go for it. And please do not spam in chat. I don't know why it's happening. Really wanted to get into SwiftUI. Yeah, for me it was so that I wanted to get kind of in the SwiftUI. I kind of learned a little bit, found it very kind of different, complicated comparing with UIKit, and kind of drop it and then come back, and again it's kind of, they already changed a bunch of things because SwiftUI is new and moving quickly. But as soon as I kind of built my kind of own application using the SwiftUI. As soon as I did that, then I kind of get better, you know. Yeah, thank you for great channel and quick question, but you are so far away from be named spammer, you know. I agree with you, 8 gigabytes is not enough, yeah. And thankfully Apple is not kind of Apple is releasing Pro machines now with 16 gigabytes only. There is even no option anymore to kind of get 8 gigabyte MacBook Pro. Probably I will not upgrade to newer MacBook. I don't think I will do that. Nice, we have first banned user in the chat. Congrats. And thank you, folks. Okay, where I was. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of question about is my machine fast enough nowadays? I will say yes, but that is more like question, would I like to keep it using for 1 more year? So that's the only reason why I'm kind of thinking maybe I kind of will upgrade. I don't know. We were supposed to be upgrading together. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't decide yet. It's kind of... yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, but he have really kind of future-proof. He really future-proofed himself, right? What are you using for backend? CloudKit for this application, iCloud basically. So we will need can we use it directly? Let me see. So when we will have this application in production is running on the core data in production, but currently we are in the process of moving over to the Swift data. And that migration kind of works. I don't know, we'll see. We'll test. Yeah, you can see there is, for example, core data classes actually. That's because it was core data application and it is still core data application. But yeah, it is already in the Swift data as well. Watching your code for 5+ hours give me more motivation. Nice, great, happy to hear. Yeah. So yeah, we have core data, that's legacy thing, probably that will stay here for forever or for a year, or maybe, I don't know, when we can remove it, when we know that everyone migrated. Maybe, but I don't know, that doesn't hurt to have it here. This song. I like this playlist, but I hate this song and I can't remove it. That playlist is not managed by myself. When you're gonna push to release? I hope that tonight we'll see how how much will be kind of coding versus talking tonight. Okay, where I was. So now I'm thinking in this habit list view. I think we can just for now implement dumb way. I was thinking that I can basically on that button click when we kind of adding new. Maybe we can do that on that button click. When we click this add habit, then we can verify if we need ask push notification. Yeah, actually that could work on that button click. So where is that button? Is it possible to code in Swift with Neo? Yeah, it should be. Because Swift is platform agnostic, you can code in Swift on whatever, Linux, Windows, whatever is your cup of tea. Where is that? Where is that? This? No. Where is that button? Oh, this one. Show habit sheet. Yeah, that is that. And can we just here notification something? Probably we have sharded. Do we have sharded? No? Yeah, we have sharded request authorization. This probably will work. I hope that I was back in whatever it was. No, it will not work. 2022. Check authorization. We have. Don't we have sharded kind of function for entity? How do I use it? Do I really kind of create instance everywhere for it? Unlikely. I don't think so. Really? Let me see. Yeah, actually I'm doing that. Okay, whatever. Where it is in settings view. What do I do in settings view with it? That's also interesting. Oh, I know, maybe. Actually nothing here. Premium offer view. Yeah, here I probably... Yeah, I see. Here I'm basically checking, I'm checking authentication. That's because when we doing purchase, then I'm setting kind of reminder to cancel that in a purchase. Yep. Okay, yeah, the sharded thing will not work. Basically, we'll need to do the same stuff. We could rewrite it to make kind of singleton out of it, but that's not really kind of always necessary. List view, where you are? Here we are. Okay, whatever, let's make it like that, and then it will be not sharded, but just like that. Then this should work probably. Yes? No? No? Why? Remove notification, schedule notification. What was that? Check authorization. Okay, check authorization. Here we are. Yeah, basically we see that button once. When users start using application, we will show that pop-up. Yeah, that should work. Okay, let's try. Will that work? As I imagine. So I don't have that button here because we have habits. Can I delete all of them? Let's see. was that? Okay, delete this one. Oh, interesting, what will happen with widgets now? Interesting, widgets are still here. Probably app will crash now. Or... actually, it still works. Interesting. Okay, it doesn't work anymore. But widget is not crashing. Yeah, it's going to the default. This is basically default icon. And basically it's kind of showing default state. So, cool. It is not crashing. And if I will do to the edit widget thing, select habit, and basically nothing. We don't have any habits here. Okay. Fine. It's not bad. So, and add habits, I assume that I will, when I will click add habit, I will see pop-up for, yeah. And then we can say allow or don't allow. Okay, I will allow. And now I think that if I will add, oh, actually, yeah, that thing. Basically, when we showing it up, when we showing this thing, this kind of sheet, we are checking if we have push notifications enabled, and if they are not enabled, we are not showing this kind of thing to kind of add reminders. I will say this kind of a glitch now. So basically I will allow push notifications for very first habit, but I'm not able to kind of yeah. I should rename this as well. Notifications, a little bit misleading. That's basically active days when I'm planning to do that. Is it a problem? Yes, probably a little bit. Something like that. Do we have book somewhere? Yeah, here we have book. Let's make it green, blue, gray. Yeah. Hello. Gabe, hello, good evening. Oh, it's late for you as well in the Hungary. But yeah, welcome to the stream. It kind of works, but not perfectly well. Can I delay that pop-up until probably no? And also kind of reloading. Those are kind of separate. That pop-up sheet for notification is from the system, and we can't really handle clicks on it. We can, but that's kind of tricky. Good evening, sir. Hello, Matt. How are you doing? Good to see you. I missed you on last Q&A streams. Good to see you here. The app looks really good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, I don't know. We can probably show that pop-up for push notifications on that screen when we kind of opening it. Then when I will click that add new habit, then I will have already this kind of slider here available. I don't know. I kind of like better that you get it after some activity. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, you wanted to join. I actually was looking that everyone in community getting more and more silent because, you know, kind of Christmas is coming, everyone is busy with all the Christmassy things. And I asked basically, do we have anything to discuss? And yeah. And I didn't saw Ellie today in the chat, but I think he was... I think he was yesterday, but yeah, yesterday was streaming during the day. Oh, thank you very much. Engineer design, you know, kind of. I'm kind of happy how my widgets are looking. Here I can basically edit, select which habit to show on that widget. Okay, I have only one habit currently available. I deleted it. I don't have any habit available currently. But yeah, I like how those widgets works out. I'm not super happy about that habit kind of creation screen. A little bit too busy, probably. I will choose something with those icons, but whatever. Good enough for MVP, probably. Okay. I think I will just ask the permission for push notifications opening this screen. It's not the best, but yeah. You've been working hard. Cool. It's growing. Oh, up to 4K, I guess. Impressive. That's great. In your case, I think you're basically if you will get your kind of target audience, you can make decent money from them. I think if you will kind of have this kind of validation that yeah, application really works for your target audience, I think you can kind of charge kind of decent amount of money for it, and yeah, then this MRR will grow quickly. That's not your, you know, average kind of whatever, $9 in a month application, like habit tracker, whatever. You can find something for free or cheap, you know. Yeah, great news. Happy to hear. That's really great. Okay, you know, it is kind of little bit kind of junky. I will just do for now to do not push myself back from release. I will just ask for push notifications when the screen is opened, then everything will work smoothly. But later I will add that into the onboarding flow, and then I will be happy with it, because otherwise it's kind of half-assed nowadays, not nowadays, in this implementation. Let's go on. We need on appear thing. On appear, we will do, basically we will ask for push notifications here, and we have at least the text on the screen, hopefully not covered by the thing. We'll see. Can I? If I delete application, then probably we will get that prompt again. Let's try. Yeah, probably. Let's try. Let's stop application, delete it, install again. I just want to see that prompt again. Let's delete widgets. Actually, remove app. Oh, by the way, on this simulator I have installed my application. Yeah, this is my freelancing project. Okay, that's test server. Do not pay attention. Images are coming slowly. I wanted to show how nice it is, but it is slow. Yeah, images are coming slowly. Problem with image fetching. Okay, whatever. That's not the point of today's stream. Okay, let's try to install it again. Yeah, my revenue actually, Matt, went down, and I was kind of annoyed a little bit because I was kind of thinking, hell, I didn't update application for a while, and yeah, there are kind of, so I'm not getting more sales as I wanted, enough sales basically. I'm getting less sales that I wanted to see, but then I kind of remembered basically what you said, basically compare with the same time period in the last year, and I was kind of, yeah, right, why I didn't think about that, and I compared, and basically I see that the previous year, basically that was basically the same gap like I'm currently in the sales, yeah, the seasonality. So okay, let's see, list view. Yeah, probably we already kind of have that push notification enabled. There is one more option what we can do. We can basically erase everything. Okay, whatever. Interesting. Why did I get it here on a pair? Oh, it is on a pair of that. Wait a minute. Okay, that is wrong place to put it. That is sheet. Oh, actually selected habit. Do we need selected habit as well? Where do we use it actually? Oh yeah, I do not worry too much. For me, you know, that's easier because multiple revenue streams, it's financially it's not a problem at all, just kind of I'm not hitting my myself kind of decided goals. That's not a problem at all. It's just I would like to release this application, so I hope that will bring some money, and then I will kind of switch back to the existing apps and work on them again to kind of get some more monies in that MRR. So we are on this view, okay, where this view is ended. Oh, it's ended here, and that was habit sheet, okay. That's the thing, that's the one thing which is kind of not very bad or something crazy in SwiftUI, but basically you have to have your kind of modifiers on the kind of right level, otherwise this kind of doesn't work well. So we would like to, when this Z stack appears, then I would like to check for authentication, push notifications. Okay, let's try one more time. Yeah, definitely. My other apps also are in basically fitness and health and so on, so I expect that in January there will be bump in sales as it is in every year. No, this is not VS Code, this is Xcode. Hey Nicholas, hello. Are we building? No, we don't. Let's start building. Actually, if you're talking about VS Code, I'm using Cursor as well. A little bit later, maybe, when I will become more lazy, I will switch to Cursor and ask Cursor to do work for me, but currently I'm still kind of... Oh, basically we open at the same screen? No. Why I'm getting this request for push notification now? I don't really like this approach, but basically we are not in that list view. Why I got that push notification request? Because it is added to the here? No, I don't think so. Because it is the stack which is inside the view and everything. No. Okay, let's try one more time. Basically, if that will not work, I will just move it back to that under that button and whatever, then I will not waste time on that, because anyways, I would like to have it in the onboarding flow later. I don't have those onboarding screens yet. Okay, let's do that one more time quickly. Let's delete application. Yes, delete. Let's install it again. No. Oh, so no, this time we didn't get that request. And when I'm going to the list, here we have. Yeah, I do not see that allow push notification. It is hidden behind that thing, so I would like to move it somewhere, maybe to be more visible. Yeah, and that will be fine for just... Yeah, let's swipe them. I just don't really like to throw those kind of requests to allow push notifications and what else not without description why we need that. And I will do something kind of not very nice and clean for now. That will kind of just work. Actually, then we can see how that will look together with this text, and then we need, okay, that's label, and then we will add this, and maybe we can add some font, something like, what was footnote, small, yeah, footnote font. Oh, that looks ugly with two text lines. Okay, let's hide this one. Hello, preview. Damn, it's ugly. That's so ugly. Maybe spacer here to move it. That will not make it nicer. Oh, yes, that's possible situation. Yeah, that will push that on the top. Yeah, we can of course kind of set something like what was that, maximum? Yeah, but whatever, that's so bad. Probably. The problem with cursor is you can use it if you understand what that cursor is doing. Basically, if you can write that code by yourself, you can use cursor to write it for you just faster. The problem is that quite often cursor just suggests absolutely kind of dumb solution for problems that you have, which are not working and so on. That's horribly bad. And yeah, you have to understand, you should be able to follow what cursor is doing, and when cursor messing up, to kind of correct it. If you do not understand what is going on, yeah, you'll get not working spaghetti code at the end. Yeah. Do you think following native app design guidelines is preferred for this type of app? Yes, why not? What's bad with following design guidelines? Problem is that I didn't take a look in them for a while. Yeah, I really don't like how all that looks. Of course I can add some delay, basically to kind of user should be able to read the screen, and then I add some delay, and then I ask for push notification, but again the user maybe will already click this add habit and will be inside this habit selection card. I'm spending way too much time on that already. Yeah, I agree that if you use Apple style user interface, it looks like more native. Therefore, I like to use SwiftUI because application basically looks like any other iOS application. Sure, we can add some padding to that text, but it just doesn't look good. I can move that all this kind of block a little bit down, but maybe I can make this one bigger, let's say 100. No habits yet. That doesn't look too bad. Then I still look at that text kind of. Let's make it body. Come on. Autocomplete, you know what I want to say. Let's move it here. It looks better here. And it is more comfortable for user to have button on the bottom. Allow push notifications. Oh no, actually the text looks ugly whenever you put it. Let's put one more spacing here. Let's say 80. Okay, better. Okay, that looks already kind of okay-ish. And yeah, that's empty state screen. We will see that basically just once in application, but that's first impression. I would like to have it looking nice, you know. Okay. This should be fine, and I think we will kind of see this barely below that pop-up for push notifications. But we don't need to guess, we can test that, right? If I'm spent already so much time on that, let's spend a little bit more. Здорово, hey Igor. Okay, so calendar list. Almost. Forget about your habits. Basically, if I will push it one more line down, it will be fine. I can live with that. Oh, that depends on app. Yes, I know about how long each and every user keeps application in my application. That data is kind of anonymized, yeah, but I can see that in reports. Let's add a little bit more padding on the top. Does that look ugly? Maybe not. Maybe just top. Let's say 24. And this a little bit more, a little bit bigger, 130 maybe. Show me that preview, how it looks. Yeah, sure. But I usually, kind of design for standard iPhone size, and then because the most of devices are kind of standard device size. There are very, very few iPhones mini, iPhone SE kind of. And again, it is kind of one time. This is screens that you see one time only, but I still want to have this kind of visible behind the pop-up. That's temporary thing. I will have that pop-up in the onboarding flow, but I'm planning to release without onboarding flow. If I will manage to push it tonight, basically this week, I would like to have it in the App Store. Because this is update for existing application, it's not kind of big launch or something, so whatever, it can be released without onboarding flow. Not a biggie. And again, that's also kind of just a habit tracking application. I don't have any high expectations that it will be something crazy popular or whatever app. Okay, so my list view. Okay, no, it's fine. So we can see allow push notifications, blah blah blah. I can live with that. It's not the best possible kind of solution, but better than just kind of showing this prompt. And now we have my push notification slider here. Perfect. I can live with that. If the app only targeted, yes, but kind of wide, then I need to kind of do I can't do my A/B tests for prices, for paywalls, all that stuff. Also, RevenueCat have more reports, and they are asking for very little of money, Can you have my playlist? This is epidemicsounds.com, that is paid service, and music is kind of specially kind of created for live streams and YouTube videos and so on. That doesn't make sense to pay subscription just to listen it. Yeah, but you're absolutely right. Yeah, it is possible just to use StoreKit and save a little bit of money. But yeah, RevenueCat is free until you hit 2K, so you're not even saving anything until you do not make money. But if you are kind of making more than this 2K, then probably it is already makes sense to pay for the service to improve your kind of reports and everything, Hello. Greetings. Okay, this works. Let's commit changes. Push notifications. Done. 2 tasks closed. Good that I don't have a QA department and everything. We can move quickly, right? Add option to change system color. Maybe. Yeah, that's a valid point as well, but so yeah, your reasoning is kind of valid. Basically, less third-party dependencies, smaller code. Yeah, that's all right. But yeah, if you would like to do, receipt validation, I don't know actually how receipt validation works in StoreKit, in second StoreKit. You probably still need some server side for receipt validations, right? Because you can't validate receipts on device, you have to have some server side component for receipt validation. And that is extra work, Do I like OmniFocus? Oh, it is kind of rocket ship, for task management. I have background in product management. I was head of products and responsible for 3 countries with development teams in even more countries and 3 product/project managers reporting for me. That was basically a lot of projects to manage. Back in those days, I could not live without OmniFocus. Now it is kind of more like, whatever. I could use Apple Notes, basically, to track my tasks. Then it was a totally different thing. Okay, changing system color, it's kind of not a super critical feature, probably, right? That can go even behind onboarding. Research keywords, I actually already did that. Key past months behind paywall. So, calendar is a little bit jumpy. Let's see. So what's going on with our music? Are we playing? Are we sleeping? Is it end of playlist? So, calendar is a little bit jumpy. Let's add few habits. Valk. I wanted to say 1 actually is enough, but let's have a few. All day, every day. Do we need reminders? Actually, I don't need this text here notifications. That is misleading because here those are notifications. And we don't need this text at all. Let's remove that. But yeah, basically, calendar is a little bit jumpy. If you move between days, see, it's kind of, I don't know if that's a problem, maybe. Why so? Because size basically is changing. Here we have kind of more lines of the text, here less lines. We can hard code the size of it, then it will not jump. I don't know if that's... Yeah, probably it is problem. It's not something critical, but yeah, anyways, it kind of looks a little bit kind of half empty screen. We can add a little bit more things here. I would like to remove this debug thing. I don't need that anymore. Okay, let's move over. Calendar screen, here we have. What is that? Yeah, I know. That's Paywall. So, I have some debug things. Here is, yeah, this is not visible in production, but I don't need it in debug as well. Let's move that away. Yeah, if I will hardcode size of it, that will not work well because we are kind of using the same view in the widget as well. Yeah, I don't know, let's see. Actually, that probably could be the right thing to do, to kind of separate it a little bit. We have already this kind of, those days are separated, right? How do I do that? Calendar content is here, and that is what? Z stack. Oh, here I have calendar header. Yeah, those are those days. And then on top of the header I have that scroll. Yeah, this one is that kind of scroll view with all my habits. How can we make it a little bit less jumpy? Yeah, that calendar is inside the scroll view. We are kind of changing its size because we are just filling it with data, and that's why it is jumping. Can I somehow pin it to the top? What? Yeah, but that will not solve problem. Yeah, actually I can push it to the top and fill top with something. And then if this part will stay on place, then bottom part changing size will look kind of more or less okayish. Probably. Music, what's going on? Why did you stop? What's going on with my playlist? Where we are on the playlist? Let's start from first song again. I could kind of add something here on the top, you know, some filler, but I don't really want to rewrite this screen because currently it's kind of very, very dirty because there is hundreds of lines. Okay, I can remove those are separate structs, but just in same file. That doesn't make sense, but that is not a problem. But this kind of is all the screen with all the switches to switch between months and so on. I don't really want to refactor it tonight. Can I leave it? For now, we'll see. Okay, let's run how it looks without all the debug information. Let's take a look how customers see that. Is it running? What's going on? No. Did I click run? Probably. Why I still have that debug thing? Stop, run, show me. Yeah. Kind of following up a little bit on that about third-party libraries. I totally agree that it makes upsize kind of big, but it seems that lately no one really cares about upsize. Everyone is kind of adding libraries for anything and everything. Yeah, it jumps when we have those weeks kind of changing. If I will add spacer, it will push to the top or to the bottom. Currently it is in the middle of the screen. If I will add space, basically it have it in the middle of the screen, And if I will add spacer, it will push to the top or to the bottom. It will not look nice, and anyways, it will kind of be jumpy. Whatever, I will leave it for now. Basically, the nice way to fix that will be, I could show, for example, image for selected habit on the top to make it kind of little bit more kind of nicer looking. It's not bad, but it's kind of, I don't know, calendar in the middle of the screen. Something like image on the top, and on the bottom we definitely need banner of premium feature for all the free customers. Exactly. Top aligned maybe will look nice, I don't know. Then half of the screen will be empty and buttons will be on the top. Moving buttons kind of hard to reach. Moving buttons on the bottom without that date, months and year will look weird. So yeah, I don't know. Because if I will add spacer, actually the Z stack. What was this H stack? I already forgot. That is just kind of moving around, yeah, calendar thing. What is better, spacer or max case infinity? I'm using spacers if I want to kind of push things around. I don't think that will look nice. We can just try just for fun to see how that will look. I don't even know if I'm kind of applying it. Will that push that Z stack somewhere? I'm not sure. Oh, actually, no. We need to have spacer on different level. We need to push this. There is this H stack, then we have this. Oh, actually, I don't even know. No, let's try. Let's see what happens. But no, I don't want it. I don't want it to push to the top because it will be hard to reach, and I don't want to push it to the bottom because it will kind of look not nice. I better to prefer to have it a little bit jumpy and then kind of come back to this and kind of fix with just better overall screen design. Let's see what will happen, I have no idea. Yeah, it is on the top. So it is kind of not jumpy anymore, but kind of, what's that, you know? I better to prefer to have it jumpy. And if I will push it to the bottom, basically, again, it will, I don't think that will look nice. Sure, I can basically add some, whatever, empty view with some kind of, or add some hard-coded spacer on the top with some specific number. Let's see, for example. But then we need it, yeah, here. Spacer. This will probably push it to the bottom. That will look the same, weird. Put it in a sheet. Why? No. No, I don't want. Because, you know, we already have tab bar application. We are switching between kind of views with tabs, and then you will kind of show something from sheet. No. Maybe if I can kind of fix it with some definite size spacer, then we can live with that. This will push it to the bottom, yeah. It's still jumpy. You see, it's no jumpy, but on different way. Yeah, it's not better, definitely. On the top it was looking kind of better. Yeah, I don't know. I will leave it as it is for now. If we will have something like spacer, something like how it was min something, min distance, min value, min. Come on, autocomplete, help me here. Minimum. Minimum. Do we have variable like that? I think minimum something like 40. Will this work? No, I probably will leave it as it is for now. It is not it's not really critical. It's just looks a little bit jumpy. But from functionality perspective, it works. Whatever. I would like to have that screen nicer, but then I need some kind of, thinking about kind of what we can add there. Yeah, something like that. Title, I also kind of thinking, for example, we could add image, for example, that habit icon as well, you know. But are you building or what is going on? Yeah, it's building. Why so long? Okay, what else do we have? Past months behind paywall. Basically, yeah, nothing much. Question is, what kind of paywall will I use? Am I staying with RevenueCat or I will add Adapty paywall? Because I don't have good paywall for this application. I need to create paywall anyways. For RevenueCat, I have SDK implementation already in the application, but I need to create paywalls. For Adapty, it is kind of easier to, not easier, they have kind of better selection of paywall templates online. What is going on? Come on, can we just stop and run again? Okay, building takes so long. I will grab something from fridge. It's already tomorrow, 1 at the night, time for the breakfast, right? Oops, sorry. Yeah, still building. I don't understand what's going on here actually. Maybe the syntax is wrong or what? Why it's building so long, but okay, whatever. It doesn't really matter. We are not going to do that. Stop. Okay, can we build now without the spacer? It's faster. And probably compiler didn't like the spacer. So check out what I have. That's if you are in Latvia, you have to try if you like it. That's basically like sweet cottage cheese in chocolate. Looks like that. Tasty thing. Okay, whatever, it works now. I will leave like that for now. Settings screen. Kind of. Looks kind of half empty. Do we really need those settings? Probably yes. And yeah, here is my current paywall. It's not horribly bad, I don't hate that paywall. And this paywall should probably work as well. I don't know actually, we can test. Maybe it is not working, I don't know, nothing happened. Ah, okay, it works. Wonders of Europe. Yeah, but this is local Latvian thing. So I can basically ship it with this paywall. But I can't do any A/B tests on this paywall or anything because it is hard-coded. Yeah, Safe Area Inside, basically, yeah, you can, I'm using that for the in some screens, you know, when you have some buttons on the bottom part of the screen. Maybe not in this application, but yeah, but it will not do anything with jumping, and that will push all that block put to the bottom, and I don't really like how that looks like. And we can do the same thing with just basically adding spacer, and yeah, I don't know. Are you supposed to put in this safe area inside kind of all the screen? Which basically, yeah, that calendar kind of view is all the content of the screen. For some kind of like button blocks, yeah, that works just fine, you know. And another one, this is basically the same thing, but chocolate. More chocolate inside. Okay. I could, but I don't want to release with this paywall. Oh, actually I have somewhere that Adapty opened. Let me see. Another browser instance. Oh, here it is. Paywall templates, something like that. Yeah, they have plenty of different Paywall templates. And I think that this could be very beneficial for app like this that I'm building now, because I will be able to play around with different paywalls, test them and so on. Let's see how quickly I can implement Adapty Paywall. So, I already have my app added. I did that just before stream. Reports are nice. C1 install. That's cool. That's from my simulator. Because I had Adapty, where it is? Here it is. So, Adapty activating right here. And we're already getting info about installs. That's kind of cool. Connect stores, that is done, probably, right? No, products. Okay, we need to add products here, we need add paywalls, probably. Probably we need to start the documentation, right? Offers. That's similar concept like in RevenueCat. Yeah, basically you're adding products here, edit products. Let's try, it kind of looks quite straightforward. I would like to add also monthly and probably one-time purchase as well. Let's go to the App Store Connect and add that first. I will need App Store Connect. Oh, I'm logged in already. Cool. Here we are. So, this application, subscriptions, next song, Habit Premium. So I have only yearly subscription. Let's add also monthly. Habit monthly premium. Product ID, let's use the same. Availability everywhere. Subscription price. Yeah, good question. What region did I use for yearly? Save. Probably US. Okay. Whatever. Okay, let's set it to the very low monthly fee, $199. Is it enough? $299. Okay, let's stick whatever, $199. Canada will be $299. US, what that will be in US United. Where is it? Was United Kingdom. Okay, probably something like that. Yeah, it should be 199 anyways. Whatever. Okay. Then we need this localization. Okay, what do I have in localization for yearly thing? But probably I would like to have something similar. Subscription description, habit premium, that's it. I will have different paywall, so I will submit different screenshot. So basically for localization, we will have display name and description. Bumps, that is done. And we are not ready to submit for review because we need screenshot. Oh. Yeah, if I will submit the same screenshot, basically price that doesn't match. Okay, whatever, that will not work. Let's make it work and then I will submit. And I will add also one in-app purchase, which is basically have it one time. Oh, did I have it already? Oh, that was basically like a draft or something. I don't know. Okay. Current price. Do I even have price? Changing your price. Wait a moment. What is current pricing? Oh, 0. Oh, it is 0. Okay. Ah, yeah, no, I remember. I tested basically if it is kind of... can I do something? Global price change. Next, I tested basically if it is possible to add 0 price. So... yearly is something like 9.12 probably. Let's set one-time purchase to 30 and call it a day for now. I tested if it is possible to add 0 price for one kind of experiment with App Store optimization. We'll do that someday later. Okay, save. Now we should add products here. Monthly subscription, access level premium, period monthly. Okay, let's say monthly. Is my English right? And then we will need to add store product ID. What do we have here as a product ID? Subscriptions. Where do I have ID? This one. Monthly premium. Okay. So far looks very, very similar to RevenueCat backend. I don't know who copy from whom. But yeah, basically they should be kind of similar. Add offer. Okay, offer will be... let's say 3 options. Okay, let's add all the products first. Yes, I don't want to offer products. Did it delete the product? Why? Okay. Okay. Monthly subscription. Okay, whatever. Access level premium, monthly. What can I change here? Yeah, just one access level. Okay, one more time. Product, habit monthly premium. Already exist. It was already added, so why don't you show them here? Back. Can I close it? Okay. Okay, refresh. Ah, yeah, here it is. Nice. Okay, whatever. Your year in numbers. I just signed it up. Probably it doesn't make sense to show my year in numbers. Adapty, really. Okay, create one more product. So this will be yearly subscription. Should we use annual? Maybe. Whatever, annual. App Store ID will be this one. Create. Product has been created. No, do not add offer yet. And one more product. This will be lifetime. I don't like name lifetime. I will like one time purchase. Because lifetime, what kind of lifetime? My lifetime, app's lifetime, my dog's lifetime. It's kind of in purchases, habit one time. This one. Okay, now we are ready to create offer. So offer will be App Store offer ID. What is that? No, we don't have App Store offer ID. It's not promotional offer. It's not win back offer. It's just kind of. No. Okay, probably that's different. Okay, let's close it. Let's reload it. What changes? Yeah, reload. Show me all my 3 products. Okay, good. Hello. Good evening. Or good morning. Okay, we created products. Add product to Paywall. Okay, that's what I'm interested in. To make products visible and selectable within Paywall, you should configure Paywall and add products under the blah blah blah. Okay. Okay. So offer is different thing. It's not like the same in the RevenueCat. In RevenueCat, basically whatever you're selling, that will be included in the offer. Here, it seems that we need to basically create Paywall and then add products, which makes sense. Okay, let's make Paywall. Let's try. Create Paywall. Paywall name. All 3 products, something like that. Add products. We will have monthly, we will have annual, and we will have one-time purchase. I don't know if I will use it like that in production, but definitely I need to create it now to show to the Apple and get approved. All the 2 new products that I just added. So what is the next step? So I added no offers for this product probably. Okay. Should I click here? Should I click here? Create as draft. Yeah, okay. I will not do any throwable promise, pinky promise. So probably next is builder. Build no code paywall. Okay, which one? Oh, Merry Christmas. Nice. So, which one? We need something with option to see 3 products. Very ugly paywall. Yeah, I don't know which one from them is kind of the best. So we need something where we show something this kind of money, some kind of money off. Single product. Those are kind of good working paywalls, but not in this case. So I can't say I'm kind of hyped with those paywall designs, the design examples here. This one maybe. This one kind of looks okay-ish. Basically, I need all the 3 products, and I don't like this. That's kind of a waste of space. This one looks kind of much better. Okay, whatever. Let's try. Do we have something with similar like this one? Kind of 3 options side by side. Timer. This is kind of a little bit more clean. Oh, actually, this is good. I will take this one because there is. So, choose. Oh, it is long. Oh, yeah, I see. That's scrollable. Okay, I see. That's cool. So we will go with. Lost it already. This one is nice because, let me see, choose. I will tell why I like it. So here is the thing. Basically, you are kind of saying that, okay, today you are kind of start using application, unlock all the content, then you will get reminders, then your subscription starts, you can cancel anymore, and so on and so on. So that's the thing. We will go with this one. And yeah, of course we will change the image, but hero image, here it is. Here we can upload it. I'm not sure about those colors, you know, but colors also should be changeable. Yeah, it looks good. I like this one. I like this one template. Do Flutter. Yeah. I was told by one indie developer from our indie app developers community that he increased his income using Adapty because paywall experiments are kind of, there are more paywall options than comparing with RevenueCat if you are not ready, if you don't want to build your own paywall. That's one of the reasons. Another reason is I just want to try to have my own experience, then I will be able to tell other indie developers why one or another is better. That's why. Okay, so for image, what could we use for image? We need something like this image is not bad actually, but I think my audience is a little bit more like white dudes, almost no women, and so on. But hey, I can't chat on Commerce Griffin's stream, but can hear. Probably you are silenced or banned there. I don't know. I don't know, my friend. You should kind of reach out and ask him what's happened. Maybe, I don't know. I just have default settings for the chat, and you obviously are not banned here. Yeah, actually I didn't saw his streams for a while. Oh, you can chat, but messages doesn't go to there. That's strange. Oh, interesting. See, you can move this thing around. It's not bad. It's kind of interesting design. Okay, so image. Let's do not. Oh, that's actually cool. You can do like that. You see, you can play around with image. Actually, this web builder for paywalls is good. I already can see it is, yeah, I see difference. I used RevenueCat paywall builder, it is kind of less advanced. So I need image here, otherwise I will kind of run in the loops. We can't do design without image. Let's go to the unsplash. Yeah, I know RevenueCat paywall builder also quite well. I do not use it because it is very limited and I'm using just footer from it and my own custom kind of paywalls, but this looks great actually. Habit tracking, something like that. What we can find? I need something. We can replace that image anytime later on server side. This one is kind of a little bit too... So tracking is not. Let's go habit. Atomic Habits book, not bad actually, but framing is, that picture is horribly bad. This one, not bad actually. I don't know, it's not English, something habitus, Spanish maybe. Okay, let's download it, just in case. I will find nothing better. And again, we need something to start moving. Habit, yeah, basically there are kind of quit smoking, something like that. What else? Maybe something like to do. Oh, actually, this one could be good if that is not some another application for habit tracking in the frame. Okay. Whatever. I need at least something. Let's try to use that image, and we'll see. Can I move from there? So uploaded. I can kind of do like that, and then I can upload, right? Yeah, max size 10 megabytes. We'll see how big that one is. Downloaded. Where is my downloaded things? Didn't I download it? Hello, where you are? I'm pretty sure I downloaded. Yeah, here it is. Downloads. It is here. Actually, it is here. Okay, whatever. Nice, we can try to frame it. It's not good picture. It is not good picture. We'll see how it looks here. Save, close. It looks bad. Can I? Oh shit! I need to re-upload it. What is that? Oh, here it is. Open. If I will crop, can I make it Oh, I can't. If I could kind of crop to the book. Save. That looks the same. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I see. Probably that's even better to upload something from my own pictures, but I'm kind of too lazy to look for them for now. Okay, let's do not waste time on that. This is better than that random woman, and we will change that later. So what else do we have? Headline, start training to gain. No, we will do something like start new life today, start building habits today, start building habits. Start building habits, something like that. And nice, today. Start your trial to unlock all contents. Probably. English is not my native language. So if user is choosing 1 year subscription, then we will have 7 days trial. Actually, we can change it now for 3 days, because why not? Because 7 days is a lot of time. Let's try. We should go for that in the App Store. Pricing and availability. I will do that now to do not forget that later. No, subscriptions. Habit Premium. Yearly. Then we will go and change here. Plan subscription. No. Create introductory offer for all the countries, and we will select the date basically from today and without no end date. Next, and here we have free, and then we choose duration 3 days. So free for first 3 days. It was 7 before. It's kind of a little bit too much maybe. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's really kind of nice to hear, you know, that I really heard that back from a few people that, oh, basically my content inspired them to start learning programming and they switched careers and so on. That's dope. So your current offer is free for first week. Those are 7 days. Now I change it to free for first 3 days. Yeah, but we need to kind of get it out, release it actually quickly, because I'm changing that in production, and in production we have old Paywall with that 7 days kind of free kind of thing. Okay, whatever. Let's try. If we can kind of run quick throws, that will be fine. Get reminder, your subscription starts, cancel anytime. This is perfect, we don't need change anything here. So here, monthly subscription, it is not the best choice. It is default, product price. In which 2 countries app is not sold? I don't know, actually. I think that it is available everywhere, but I may be wrong. So annual subscription has free trial. So what should I do here? Price, I would like to have here price per month. Can I do it? Oh, but I want to have Can I select somehow those kind of variables? Price per week. I would like to have here price per months. Go away. Can you please? Okay, let's change fonts. Where can I see those variables? How can I add those variables? How can I change them? We can go with that week, but it's kind of not cool. Should be able to change them somehow. Free trial. Oh, that's default. Pay as you go, pay upfront, no. Should I just reroll it? Oh, here it is. Prod title, nice. Okay, what was here in default? Product price. Yeah, we will need product price here. Product price. And then here we go. Product price per month. That's what I would like to see here. And then I would like to have here month. How can I make the spacer here to make it bigger? I don't know. Probably we'll figure that out. Oh, maybe I need just add... How do you do that? I don't see kind of new lines, anything here. This was weak. Here maybe some spacer. Size. Color. Not really. Do you have M4? No, I'm on M1 Pro still. Didn't upgrade this year and last year and the year before. Okay, the default is not bad, but we need to... How do you add this badge? Okay, let's go. We need to remove this badge from this free kind of... not free... Oh, what here it is? This one. Yeah, this one. Removing that one. Oh, it fixed it itself. Annual subscription. Oh, it didn't fix it. Okay, but here we have product badge on. Most popular. We need here best deal. Best offer. Best offer. Maybe color. Let's go with same, blackish here. Oh. Will not work actually. We could change it to the white, but that color actually could be better. Something in green, I think. Yeah, I think better. Okay, this, that, and then one-time purchase. I don't see what is here. Price, product price per week. How that will work? Product price per week here. We don't really need, there will be some error in math if it is lifetime. And now I will have just text here one-time purchase and that's it. One-time purchase. Like that. This will be fine. Oh, Oh, Rafael, hello. Happy Christmas to you as well, yeah. A New Year and everything. Hello, my friend. How are you doing? That's how I like to spend my holidays, you know. Sitting in front of computer. But yeah, I don't know. It's fun. Okay, this will work. We'll change the picture. And continue. I think continue is just fine. I will not pretend that I'm kind of the smartest person in the world, and I know. That's what I'm doing as well. Nice, I can imagine, yeah. Yeah, we're quite similar, yeah. Okay, I think we can at least save this. Can we save it? Oh, we need links for this privacy and all that stuff. Sure. I can get them from RevenueCat. Adapty gives you, yeah, you're basically building the paywall on the web. Let me open RevenueCat quickly. Log in. So here is RevenueCat. You can build paywalls in the RevenueCat as well, but they are kind of more simple. You can't change much. You can add this image here, and that's basically is how it stays here. And yeah, basically yeah. So I need links from those footer links. Here it is. Terms. Terms, this one. Privacy policy. I personally do not use RevenueCat paywalls. I did A/B tests for RevenueCat paywall, and in my case, for my application, basically this paywall didn't work. It was worse comparing with my custom built paywall, so therefore I'm just using this footer condense kind of option. Then I'm using just bottom part from RevenueCat and the paywall behind it, my custom coded paywall. It works, you can use it like that, but yeah, I just want to give a try to the Adapty. Okay, let's save. No, probably. Maybe we can publish it or something. Let's see what is the next step. Make test purchase is next step. Yeah, we will change that picture for sure. No worries about that. So that is legacy builder, not interested. That is something like remote config. Oh yeah, you can basically send, you can together with paywall, you can probably send some kind of that thing as well. In RevenueCat you also can just send where it was RevenueCat. You can add. Are you adding that to the offer, not to the paywall? Basically you creating offer, and to the offer then you're adding, where are my offers? Offerings, this one. And then you can add metadata here, basically send it. Hey, hello, yeah, good, really late evening or not early morning yet. What about cost for Adapty? RevenueCat is cheaper. Adapty is minimum payment, something like $90. You can get discount, you can apply for discount to get $45 kind of invoice. For RevenueCat there is for up to 2K you pay nothing. After that you are paying 1%, and the Adapty also is 1%. but there is this kind of minimum payment. Okay, is it Paywall alive? State draft. Can we change it to the something else? Paywall screenshot. We don't have screenshot, that's fine. In Builder we have it here. How we can move from draft to the content, style, layout. Okay, that's nice, but how do I flip it to the from draft? It is in draft now. Metrics, duplicate. Okay, probably we need to read documentation. To create paywall. Okay, we're adding products. Create as draft and confirm. Your paywall now created. Add it to a placement to start using it. Aha. Add it to a placement. Okay, and so placements are like product kind of packages, something like that. Okay, that's next step. Create placement. Choose where to show. Ah, I see. Yeah, that's cool stuff that you can make different paywalls show in different places. Okay, that's interesting. Choose what to show, cool. And choose from different paywalls for different user audiences. That's very interesting. So basically, all users, let's go, run paywall. Should I add some kind of audiences? Yeah, I don't have any segments. Okay, we are just placement name that will be default paywall. Default. Or just default. Placement ID. What do we need as ID? Come on. What's that? Can I... okay. I don't need to click. I need IDs used in Adapty SDK and can be edited once created. Okay. How much time do you use UIKit? I use UIKit a lot in my freelance projects, and I do not use UIKit at all in my personal projects. Okay, let's go with default one. That I think is good. Run paywall. All three products, this one. Do we need something else? Probably no. Save and publish. Probably that's it. Probably this paywall is live now. Okay, and next probably will be to show it in the app interface. Okay, that was create paywall, that was buttons, schmuttons, paywall localization, that's cool. Duplicate, download, fallback paywall. Oh yeah, download fallback paywall, that's also cool. Basically, you can download paywall and have it on device in case if internet is not viable and customer can't connect to buy. You can basically have some fallback paywall. That's interesting. Choose meaningful paywall. Yeah, this is interesting. Actually, I see that this stuff, we'll see if I will use it, but this stuff is kind of more complicated and probably more interesting than in RevenueCat. Maybe I will never use it, who knows. Is SwiftUI raw? No, it's totally fine. It's ready to use. So that is just thing, you know, that there are shitload of applications which are built in UIKit. No one is going to rewrite them, you know. Superval is quite expensive. They are kind of charging something like 20 cents for click or whatever, I think. How do you promote the app? This is one of the ways how to promote it, you know. Content marketing, I will say the best, and that basically covers many things, you know. Okay, how do you show the paywalls? So I created it, I created product, initial integration, quick start guide. How do we migrate to Adapty? I will need to read this as well. Migration from RevenueCat. Okay, interesting. Core differences. Install Adapty. I will need to implement that for later. Yes, you can do A/B tests for paywalls. You can do that here in Adapty. You can do that in RevenueCat as well. Adapty seems that is a little bit better in that than RevenueCat. Oh, we need this. Adapty get paywall. Okay. Cool. There is just kind of copy paste replace code for replacement. Not bad. Customer profile. RevenueCat to use following structures: get offerings and then self offerings available packages. Yes. Okay. Let's try. Oh, interesting. There is just basically it seems that changing will be quite easy. Okay, we'll see. So I somewhere I'm fetching products. Purchases configuration. This probably will be not needed. Let's remove it for now. And there I have somewhere task where I'm fetching products. Yeah, here I'm fetching offer products. Right? Am I right? Offerings. Yeah. So we do this task basically on app initialization. This is RevenueCat. We don't need it anymore. Let's kind of add some comment. I don't want to delete it yet because, you know, who knows. Here we need Adapty get paywall, and then we need Adapty we just shared good offerings. You replaced with Adapty get paywall products. Tried Adapty but didn't find any use at all. Oh, interesting. We can change paywalls by remote config and statistics with amplitude. Yeah, of course you can do everything on your own. You can build shitload of different paywalls on your own without using third-party levers, of course. I think that's also kind of question of how big team do you have, you know? Well, that's always the question. Because if you're an indie developer, You don't need, you are not kind of, you don't have always all the time in the world, you know, to play around with all the stuff. Can we just do that here? Just to have everything on one place. Adapty function is unused. Really? Why? Okay. Do I miss something? Why not RevenueCat? Because I would like to compare them in real life, you know, otherwise I don't know. Are they better or not? Why I'm getting error? Okay, where I'm fetching offerings for RevenueCat. I think I have some kind of helper class for that. Let's see. Oh, interesting. I don't see that anymore. Get offerings. No? Maybe because I commented it out somewhere. Offerings, shared offerings. Yeah, I don't see where I am kind of fetching those offerings. Okay, whatever. This Adapty activate works just fine. Adapty get Paywall for some reason is unhappy in the init. Okay, let's remove that one more time. Build. Hello, hey to you as well. Okay, it is building now. Cool. Adapty activated. Adapty. Paywalls. Get. Paywall. Products. I don't see this kind of get paywall thing. Are you sure that your documentation is correct? I don't really have too many time at 2 at night to fight with that, you know? Lawyer content. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Function is unused. What that means? Okay, could you give me kind of... Okay, that is... Migration, blah, blah, blah. Give me, please, kind of proper documentation, how to implement it. Just take a look on that. Quick start guide. Initial integration. Generate email purchase key, configure App Store integration, enable server notifications for later, install Adapty SDK. Okay. Yeah, I have Adapty activated, that's fine. But next step, please. Okay, here we are. What is that? So we need a Paywall builder. Memory storage, total cost limit. What? What are we doing here? Why? Disk storage size limit. What's that? Only if you are going to use Adapty UI. You need to configure that only if you plan to use Paywall Builder. Yes, we are planning to do that. Okay. We already activated it once. Adapty UI. No, we didn't activate it. Okay. So we need to do that as well. And how do we show paywalls, all that stuff, how do we handle them? Where is that? I'm starting to become skeptical, it's 2 at night. We didn't get to the show paywall. Customer user ID, no. I'm afraid that I will just create quickly RevenueCat paywall and submit that one for review to get approved products. Yeah, where is... Okay, that was where I am. Which part of documentation I am. That was getting started with App Store, paywalls and products, create product, delete product. Where is show paywall? Create paywall. Layout, buttons, fonts, paywall localization, archive paywall, placements. How can you show paywall? Display new paywall. Show the paywall. Fetch the paywall. Swift. Okay. This one. Basically we're requesting paywall. I will say that implementation is more straightforward in RevenueCat. It's not the rocket science, but kind of a lot of code for showing paywalls that you are kind of creating on server side. Oh, Paul, it is 2 at night. Just... Of course I'm not in the office anymore. Well, let me tell you. So, I'm not going to implement all this yada yada tonight anymore. So, that means that we are going to submit for review RevenueCat paywall to get products approved, and then that will be tomorrow problem. But most likely, if I'm not fixing it tonight, most likely I will not release it with Adapty paywall. So, another time. Okay. Let's go back to the App Store Connect. I will remove this upcoming change. Yes or no? Yes. For now, because I'm not doing that Adapty paywall. That paywall definitely is better. That paywall, what you can create with Adapty, it is definitely better. So let's do. I will need to basically do similar thing here in RevenueCat. I will add products identifier. So I added new products. So let's add the same products to the RevenueCat. Basically for RevenueCat it will be faster for me. I will do that tonight. Identifier, habit monthly premium. Yeah, it is alphanumeric characters. What don't you like? Okay, here it is. Monthly subscription. Create product. Okay, product is created, and we will need to the product kind of creation was kind of a little bit more tricky. Okay, here we need to attach product now to the kind of like offer. Okay, and then I am adding one more product. This part is a little bit, that configuration was a little bit smoother, I would say, in Adapty. Okay, adding one more. This one is one time, something like that. Okay, let's add purchase as well. One time purchase, create product, bumps, done. Attach to the Premium Pro, done. Okay, and now I need to go to the offerings and I need to choose. Okay, this is just for yearly. I will create new offer. I will name it default. Description. Let's say monthly, yearly, and one time. And then I need to add those packages. So I'm adding monthly product. Here it is, this monthly subscription, and package description again, that will be just monthly. One more package that will be annual. Adding annual product, and this will be annual. This configuration is kind of a little bit more tricky. I don't know. Okay, let's go with lifetime, whatever. Okay, but no. One time purchase, because we can use the description on the upside for purchase. Do I have typo here? Yeah, I have purchase, like that. So, save. Let's save this offering. I have offer with 3 products, and now I can add paywall for it. And yeah, paywall, choose for paywalls is kind of, that's it. You have only that, nothing more. So I'll go with this one. This is kind of more, yeah, comparing with Adapty Paywall Builder, it is kind of, it looks sad, but whatever. So we can drop image here. Let's use the same image. I can change that image later. Not biggie. We can change it later. Didn't you like this drop action? Okay, I can select. If that's better, I can select as well. What's maximum size? 2 megabytes. Is it bigger? Where is... No. Okay, not that. Not that. There should be something like quick actions, services. Convert image. Okay, it's that one. Let's make it smaller, medium. Okay. It looks so bad. Yeah, delete this image. Okay, that will be fine for submission. So this will be, what kind of text will we use? Yeah, that Paywall is so much better in this Adapty. Should I rush with this RevenueCat now? I'm just looking on those RevenueCat paywalls and I kind of don't like them. I just don't like those RevenueCat paywalls. They are ugly, and yeah, I can build custom one, but then I need to kind of I don't know really. This paywall looks so much nicer already. Custom is the best than templated. Yeah, probably, alright, yeah. Yeah, I need to use at least the footer from RevenueCat. I don't want to kind of deal with all the kind of jazz of... Let's see. Okay, back to the RevenueCat. So if I will, this paywall it looks ugly. Let's change the paywall. So this paywall with kind of condensed footer looks better. And so let's go. I will go with this paywall. I will use it like a default one now to submit to the Apple. But then I can basically later use it as a footer condensed and then show her default product and my custom paywall behind here. Let's go with that. I think that's the best, because we can go with footer or footer condensed or full screen. Okay, I will create it now full screen just to submit to the Apple. Okay, let's go. So we'll have monthly first, and then we will have default package will be, wait a minute, okay, here it is. Package 1 monthly, second package will be yearly, and third package will be annual, one-time purchase. Default package will be yearly thing. Package name, offer period, monthly, annual, and so on. Yeah, let's go with that. Package details. This field is required. Full access just for yada yada. But that is fine, yeah. we can use it, yeah. Price per period. Yeah. Still work just fine. Full access. Just for. And that's fine. This will work. Boom. So for annual, actually I like this. Can't we just? It could be default already. Sub offer duration, then total price. Okay, first. Sub offer. Yeah. And then we have sub offer price, something like that. Okay, it doesn't show what it should show. Why continue button is red, I don't know. Those are just sales genius, you know, call to action. Continue is fine, but what AirPods, I don't even know. I just bought them in the supermarket for, I don't know, $5, something like that. Those are cheap AirPods. Nothing good. They're just, you know, kind of works. Service cable, therefore I can hear really stream because I'm using those when I'm just programming alone, but for streaming I like to have headphones with cable. Start your free, and then we have period, something like that. Period. Sub period now. Sub offer period, something like that. Sub offer duration, I think this one. Start your free, and that will be start your free 1 week, something like that. If we have offer with trial. And this will be continue, yeah. Continue is fine. Okay, I don't know why they choose the color red for purchase button. This should be something green, blue. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, let's Google best purchase button color. I think that could be something blue, gray, not red. Really? Is it something good? For example, red does not create sense of urgency, while green brings feeling like self-relaxation, blah, blah, blah. Orange, meanwhile, is a tension-grabbing color. Really? Okay, it grabs attention, but... Okay, whatever. I will leave it as a default. Okay, let's try. Let's try. So, great. Is it saved? Are we missing anything? English has error. Yeah, it's kind of not intuitive, right? Footer links. Do we have footer links? No, we don't. So maybe that's why we have error. Yeah, we should show a restore button. What kind of error do we have here? I don't see. Okay, we're going with US. Image is default, whatever. Okay, we need this. We need to change this part. Okay, maybe that was error. Okay, what I already did this thinking exercise. Let's not do that again. Okay, I need those links again. I need those links again, footer links. Terms of service. This one. And privacy policy, this one. Okay. Footer links done. Main content, we need something here. What do I wrote here? Start building habits. Yeah, good enough. Headline, start building habits. Today. Labreed. Good morning. Maybe that capitalization here could help a little bit. Habits. Today. Unique gourmet recipe. Oh, it's that silly. Okay, start building habits today. It's cool. Here we need something. Not receipts. We need something like change your life. You're still streaming? Yes, I do. Well, I'm not streaming from yesterday. I'm streaming from today's evening. So, probably we need some text, but basically not, you will see not much from that because we have all those buttons here. And I will use those buttons in this kind of screen. Because when I will kind of do the custom paywall and will use it as a footer, if I will do that, then it will look like footer, like that. And here the background will be custom screen and you will not see the text anyways. So currently we're just using this one just to submit products for review to Apple. First 1 week. Oh, we need 1 week. Okay, well, I remember packages. So we need to change here first 1 week free. Then that. Yeah. Okay, so start building habits. Let me see, I wrote something in description of the app. I had more brain power back then when I was writing description. Transform your life. Not bad, actually. Basically, we need something like that. We don't need to list features or something. We need to say something like that. Features, yeah. Features, here we go. Yeah. It will be too long. It's fine. transform our life through the power of small daily actions. And that's good enough. Create Paywall. Yes, let's go. Okay, probably image is totally kind of, yeah. Let's see, image. That downloaded image is not good at all as well. It's something kind of, some random dude reading Atomic Habits. Kind of fine for just submitting for Apple for review, I think. So basically we need save this image. We can already kind of add that as a metadata. Paywall. App description is not very important. I can ask that question to you. How carefully do you read app descriptions in the App Store when you download applications? And that's basically will answer your question on how important it is. Because it is not used anywhere else. App Store search optimization doesn't use app description in the App Store. In Google Play, that's different. In Google Play, that is important. Okay, here, now we need to, well, I am here. Yeah, fine, we can lose the changes. Oh, I fixed some typos here. Okay, whatever. So, metadata. Yeah, my English is... It's too late for English already. I'm pretty sure I downloaded that image. Where it is? Didn't I download it in downloads? Hello, Paywall. Here you are. Oh. Let's move it to the downloads. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, move out from the Dropbox. Whatever. Oh fuck, it downloaded. Not that image. Not that image. This, this image. Can we download this image? No. And if I will do like that screenshot, will that be good enough to submit to the Apple? Let's see. Oh, prices are totally wrong here. Okay, I need to run it on simulator. Then. Yeah, because prices are totally wrong here. Whatever. So, let's turn back all the changes. We need this back because we will use RevenueCat. We need this back. And now we should be able to use RevenueCat. And here, somewhere in settings, I think that was settings screen where I used my custom paywall. We can try to show RevenueCat paywall and we'll see what will happen. Settings view. And instead of navigation, where is my... We will need... If user model subscription is not active, so we are showing navigation view. Instead of that, we would like to have button here, something. Actually, I would like to have some kind of banner, probably. Oh, I think I have banner. Let's see. I think I have banner for premium kind of thing. Premium offer, yeah, here we have banner. We can show navigation, link destination. Basically, we're opening premium offer. Yeah, we can pop up, for example, that RevenueCat paywall from this banner. Okay, let's do that. Show description. Yeah, but there we need here some kind of button as well. Whatever, doesn't matter. Let's add button to the settings. Yeah, very nice. Okay, whatever. Let's go back to the settings. Let's just add the button here. So we are not using navigation. Yeah. Can we just add button here? How that will look? In the form, I don't know. We'll see. So we need title and button. We need button with title and action. Can I get autocomplete thing for that? I can't remember button syntax at 2 at night anymore. Button, please. We need title, but we need label and action. Okay, let's go label. Okay, that will be just whatever. Premium. And can I put action here? No complaints? Oh, we have complaints. Our label should be that whatever it was. Give me a copy button somewhere. Oh, here it is. Yeah, like that, please. Like that. So label will be like premium, and for system image we will have something like some kind of diamond or something. Massive symbols. Yeah, it's not only thing that I saw something else. It's kind of, yeah. Diamond. No. Something cool. Nature. Let's see, something like gift. Yeah, something like this will work. Maybe you not feel it, maybe just no, feel it looks better. I like this one better. Okay, like that, and no, it's kind of too heavy. Comparing with others, this one. Probably that was the same, but without fill. Yeah, of course. And here we will have Octaves, quick time writing. Static state var show paywall false, yes, and then here we will where is my freemium? Here we will do show paywall is true. And then we will have somewhere show how you do show sheet. Oh my gosh. Please, can you do that autocomplete for me tonight? Okay, I'm going to my another project, just take a look. How we show sheet, home view, I'm showing paywall somewhere here. I think that we can show from the sheet. Yeah, sheet is presented, we can show just RevenueCat paywall. Yeah, sheet. Probably I was typing show. Yeah, I tried to write show sheet. Sheet is presented. That was something like show paywall, right? Show paywall, and I don't like this way of writing. I like to use those brackets, and in brackets we will do paywall, not playwall, paywall. What? Autocomplete. Send email, of course. Just show paywall. So this should be RevenueCat paywall. For that we will need to add import RevenueCat. Import RevenueCat, and we will need import also RevenueCat UI. Okay, let's try. Will that compile and will that work? Missing what? Missing argument for view model. What kind of argument are we missing? Really? I do not believe you. Yeah, we just show paywall and that's it. We just show paywall. Believe me, we don't need anything else. What are we missing here? No, we do not miss anything. Okay, let's do copy paste. Maybe I'm kind of saw some kind of typo, but basically this one. Paywall view. Maybe I have something else here. Paywall view looks the same. Missing argument for parameter view model in call. We don't need. No. That's BS. Okay, let's clean issues, let's clean build folder, and let's just agree that you will try again. Nothing missing here, just try to build, you'll be fine. We have RevenueCat here. Yeah, it should be fine. Hey, Vidan. How we got idea to make an app, and should we make sure it's solve a real problem? Yes, you should solve real problem. If you are not solving real problems, it doesn't make sense Okay, it's building. You can go, you know, you can go to my YouTube channel. So if you go to the YouTube, here's my channel, right? Then you can go to the playlists, and in the playlists you will find from App Idea to 5K, and you will see how to find App Idea, how to validate App Idea, how to create your ideal customer profile and why you should do that, how to plan before building, and then it was, yeah, MVP blueprint for one of my applications. Basically, this playlist answers your question. Here you have a link to it. And yeah, that is important. That is important because if you are just building up because you have cool app idea, it's kind of big chance that you will make 0 sales. Okay, what the hell is going on? So why? So maybe sheet is on kind of wrong, let's say, level. So if we will move it here, that can start automatically work. Not yet. Build failed. Okay. Let's keep moving. What about here? No, it's not right place. But it kind of should work here. Okay, let's try here. Because sometimes when you kind of move... No. It doesn't like it. Why? Hey there, hello. Why don't you like it? What kind of argument are you missing? Settings you missing. Do we have view model at all here? We have user model, shared, which is fine. What are you talking about, Xcode? Are you drunk? Paywall actually do not need anything. If you don't want to show it in sheet, I don't know why. Because it works just fine, for example, in this example. What's wrong there? Yeah, sometimes Xcode errors are just killing, you know. I completely agree with you. And sometimes they are basically that that function is too long, I didn't manage to compile it. For real. That happens as well. Because here I'm kind of showing, this is RevenueCat Paywall, this is RevenueCat Paywall as well. And so basically to show it, we just need that. And we have those kind of objects imported, those libraries imported. And then we're showing it in the sheet, same. Basically, I just wanted to see this paywall, and then I will be done for. I could screenshot and send it to Apple for product approval. Okay, let's see. If we collapse this form where we are. So I'm trying to add sheet on form. Okay, maybe you don't like that. I can accept that. Maybe you want to have this form on the navigation view. That could be a thing. Let's see. But anyways, then this error message is completely wrong. No, it was not that. Something else. Hey, friend, hello. 6 apps or rejections. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I feel so sorry for you. New submit. Good luck with that. Oh, that's brutal. 6 rejections. You know, everyone getting a rejection from App Store sooner or later, that's just fine, but 6 is just, you know, in a row. You know, okay, whatever. You don't like to have it in sheet. What if we will push on it in navigation? Will that be better? Will you like that better? If I will do basically like that paywall, and then I will put here it. Will this work? Or we will get the same error. And so let's close this sheet. Better, same, worse, same. Yeah. It basically, that's how you should show those paywalls, but maybe how you try to formalize app development to speed up development. Do you mean kind of create some libraries and stuff, you know? I do not create new applications too often, you know, to make sense to kind of build libraries for some most used objects. So, no. Can you create mobile apps that creates mobile apps? Yes. Did you hear about the Swift playgrounds on the iPad? That's basically is a mobile app which creates mobile apps. Yeah. What else? Okay, let's. What else? Yeah, I do not understand why. Because that's basically is the RevenueCat's paywall. RevenueCat SwiftUI. Oh, so cool. I have my own paywall view. Oh, that's why. Naming conflict, amazing. Where did I add this? When I add this? Paywall view. Okay, cool. I don't even remember when I did this paywall view. Oh, that was part of the onboarding. So dumb naming. Yeah, that's part of the onboarding. Oh, fuck. I'm dumb. Yes, that's why. Okay. Naming conflict. It is in onboarding, and I started to create onboarding, didn't finish it, of course, and it is Paywall view. Fuck me. Okay. Clear. Let's rename it. It will be onboarding. Onboarding. Paywall view. Yes, and we are not changing this one, we are changing all of the rest. I'm dumb. Or smart. Finally, I kind of found that. I don't know. Okay, back to the settings. Okay. Let's run now. Yes, of course. Oh my gosh. How you learn iOS at beginning? I'm new in iOS. Can you give fastest way to learn iOS? Fastest way to learn something is basically you just pick one kind of tutorial that you like for iOS. That could be, for example, 100 days of SwiftUI as example. You follow that a little bit until you can start to build something on your own, and then you start to building your own projects, and that's how you're learning, you know. And basically, yeah, running into problems, solving them, and so on. That's the way to go. Build file at why. What happened? Yeah, exactly. And you're just Googling, you know. Apple tutorials are better already, but they were horribly bad before. What's the highest number of rejections you heard for single app? In a row? Not 11. No, I think maybe something like 4, maybe even less. I don't think so. I don't think that I got more than 3 rejections in a row, because it's kind of, yeah, they're saying you how to fix something. Sometimes you fix or change something, sometimes you just getting into discussions and find something in the middle, yeah. Yeah, exactly. I solve one problem at a time, yeah. And just move forward until you don't have any problems, yeah. Okay, can we see the paywall? Nice, here it is. Oh, what's wrong here? Offering yearly has not configured paywall. Fix this by editing paywall in the RevenueCat dashboard. Default configuration. Okay. Offering yearly. Yeah, I know. I see this paywall because my default paywall currently is different one, not that one new one what I just created. Is there any path that helps me to learn iOS and build iOS app and build an app? Yes, that's what I just said. Basically, pick one tutorial that you like from one kind of teacher that you like. It is important that you like kind of how this teacher is teaching. Learn from him, basically follow this tutorial, then start to do some side quests, you know. Okay, if you build whatever application, then add some extra features, add kind of whatever, change color of buttons and so on. Then start to build your own projects, run into the problems, solve them one by one. That's how you're learning. Design spam. Yeah, but that sometimes are the default, you know. For example, I submitted brand new application, got rejection, design spam, and then basically I kind of wrote back kind of longer letter to them. And then I got kind of already kind of good rejection with some specific kind of things to change. But first one was just kind of that, yeah. when I'm making up, I design around kind of default size, this one. iPhone 15, iPhone 16, something like that. That's kind of default, most used size devices. And yeah, sure, you kind of design responsible, you do the responsive design, basically it should work more or less on everywhere. Yeah, how can we test this paywall? The problem with RevenueCat now is that this yearly is kind of currently current paywall, current offer. And yeah, if I will, I can trigger, I can flip this to the default, but products are missing in it. It's kind of, yeah. Basically, this paywall that we see now, it is for another offer. Yeah, I don't know, should I kind of flip it now? What will happen with those users who are currently using application? The problem is that those few of those products are not approved yet. Whatever, you know what I will do? I will just do screenshot for this paywall. Probably we need to change picture. Do I have any kind of more or less okay-ish picture to? Let's see what I have from my Instagram pictures. Maybe something with whatever. Something with some book or something. Okay, let's see. Let's move it over. There should be some. Oh, what's going on? Oh, I can't move it. Okay. That's not a bad picture for habit tracking application. Icons. Something. Not the best. Something better than cooking will work. This one probably is just fine. Whatever, I need something. Better, this will be better than just food. It looks weird. Okay, I will stick with food. Let's see if I can just okay, do like that. Copy it, attach to the metadata, submit to the Apple, and then I can enable that paywall and test. Anyways, we need some kind of ending for today's stream. Image should be that size, and definitely, this definitely is not that size. Let's see what size it is. It is somewhere in documents probably, like screenshot. Let's see. Probably I will get, yeah. Oh my gosh, Apple, why do you do that? Okay. Image, quick options, convert image. Can we, actual size, no. How I can make it into that size? Can I just play stupid and re-upload the same paywall that I use it for this yearly kind of thing? Make it an epic ending. Oh, screenshot is going here. And that is optional image. Oh, okay. Epic ending. Okay, can I drop that screenshot here? Please. The dimensions of one or more screenshots are wrong. Okay, what are right dimensions? Oh my gosh. Can I download it from here? Save as, okay. App Store Connect, okay. Let's save to the downloads. App Store Connect. Paywall. I think they will be mad and reject that subscription, but I can try, right? Why not? Where is my downloads? Oh, it's HTML. I was hoping I will download the image. Okay, if I will click on it, can I get it full screen or something? No, that's offered to upload new one. Why you are making that so hard, Apple? And do the yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to open that paywall available to everyone, so that's not an option. I can't get that screenshot. Let's just screenshot the old paywall, submit it for review, and hope for the best. Let's just submit and then we'll see what happens. In worst case scenario, that's what? Rejection for the in-app purchase? Who cares? I am not even submitting application yet. Yeah, I was over-optimistic, kind of thinking that I will finish the implementation tonight. So, can we just screenshot this screen? Save to desktop. If size for this one will be wrong as well, then I'm just going to sleep. Oh, looking promising. Yeah, okay, that's cool. YOLO. What's wrong? What's missing? You must add subscription duration. Oh, that's monthly. Save. Submit. Waiting for review. Whatever. Should be fine. Or not. But then they will ask for new screenshot. In purchases, we have one-time purchase, habit one time. This one should be rejected because this is basically screenshot is from subscription and with trial enabled. I'll be surprised if they will approve it. I'll see, whatever. Okay, waiting for review. And that is it. I will stop right here. It's kind of enough. Enough is enough. Because, yeah, it's 3 at the morning already, and I don't know. Enough is enough, exactly, yeah. What is your goals for the app? Oh, what do you mean? What are my goals? Financially or how? So I'm planning to release this application because I would like to use it. I'm already using it, and yeah, I don't know. I just like idea about this application. I think that there is kind of still potential for habit tracker applications. It is possible to kind of make some money from them. Yeah, revenue of course as well. How much? Financial goals. I don't know. Let's say 1K in a year is kind of, not in a year, in a month, I mean. 1K in a month could be good revenue from this application. And then if you can get to the 1K in monthly recurring revenue, then you already can grow from here. Let's say 1K in a month, and then, yeah, we can move from here. Currently, the first one, it makes few sales in a month. There are months without sales, there are months with few sales. So basically that app makes less than $100 in a month right now. The first goal probably will be to get it to 300-500 in a month, and then kind of push it slowly to the 1,000. That's it. If you get up to the 1,000, then you can get it to 2 and 5 as well. So the first K is the most heavy, most hard one. Okay, let's see. I just remembered that we are streaming on Twitch. We should raid someone maybe? Let's see if I remember how do you do those raids. Do we have button somewhere? Raid channel. Yeah, I have button. We'll see if someone is kind of streaming who I know. Oh, Finite Singularity is streaming. Roundtable Science chat. Oh, that's cool. That's definitely, that is it. Let's go and raid them. And yeah, then I am kind of leaving. So that's a raid, and I'm going to sleep. Hi guys. Seems that we'll need one more night. Good night. How did you get the stream elements to do the chat announcement of subscriber? I don't even remember. I don't even remember. I implemented that so long ago. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. See you next year, definitely. Bye bye.